If you have arrived here today with a mind that won't stop spinning or a body tight with restless energy, you're exactly where you need to be. We often don't realize how much exhausting energy it takes to try and solve our anxiety until we finally give ourselves permission to just let it pass through. I'm Diana, and welcome to 3 Leaves. Let's just drop our shoulders, take one deep, beautiful breath together, and return to the steady anchor of your own peace. Let the words wash over you and just breathe them in. Let's begin. I stop trying to solve anxiety and simply let the energy pass through me. I let the questions go. I don't need to figure this out right now. I step out of the story my mind is telling and arrive in the reality of this moment. Right here, in this exact space and time, I am safe and I am loved. I drop the heavy burden of needing to know what comes next. I don't need to change anything about myself to be worthy of peace. It's safe to put down the struggle. I allow myself to just be. I meet myself exactly where I am without judgment. I release the pressure to feel different than I do right now. This is just restless energy looking for a way to move through me. I open my hands and make room for this sensation, knowing that it's temporary. I feel the warmth from my heart and I listen to my body. I send a quiet breath of comfort into the places that feel tight. I don't need to fix this feeling. I choose to meet it with kindness. I am enough right here in the middle of this discomfort. I sit with this restlessness like an old friend, offering it space to breathe. I acknowledge the fluttering and the tightness, and I let it just be. With every exhale, the tightness in my body is softening like ice melting into water. I release the grip in my shoulders, allowing gravity to take the weight. I feel my body completely supported by the surface beneath me. As my muscles soften, I let go of the need to hold myself together. I am held, I am grounded, and I am safe right here, right now. I feel the quiet rhythm of the earth beneath me, steady and unmoving. I give my busy mind permission to drop the heavy thoughts. With each slow breath out, I sink a little deeper into my comfort. My breath is my anchor. I can always return to this steady rhythm. I let everything else drop away, focusing only on this single breath. I steady myself in the quiet space between the inhale and the exhale. When my mind starts to spin, I gently return to the present moment. I trust my body's capacity to let this energy pass through. I rest in the stillness that remains when the rushing stops. I am grounded, I am stable, and I am at rest. I am right here, fully present, completely anchored in the now. Peace is available to me in the simplicity of this moment. Take one more long, slow, easy breath, feeling the lightness in your chest and the relaxation in your body. Carry this spaciousness with you as you move through the rest of your day. If this gentle practice brought a moment of quiet to your world, I invite you to subscribe to 3 Leaves so we can continue to walk this path of calm together. Take care of your mind, take care of your body. Until next time, be well.